Hey everyone, so if you want to use Google Translate without internet, like when you're traveling or your data is off, yeah, you can actually do that. I'll show you how to set it up step by step so it works anytime, anywhere. First, open the Google Translate app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in because offline languages are saved to your device account. Now tap on the language selection area. You'll see a list of languages you can download for offline use. Next, find the language you want and tap the download icon next to it. For example, English or Spanish. Once it downloads, you can use it without internet anytime. After downloading, Google Translate will automatically use offline mode when there's no internet. So you don't need to turn anything on manually, it just switches by itself. Now let's test it. Turn on airplane mode, type a simple sentence, and check if it translates. If everything is set up correctly, it should work even without data. Some features like camera translation or voice might need extra downloads. So if you use those often, make sure to download the extra language data too. And that's it. Now you can use Google Translate completely offline anytime you want. Perfect for travel, emergencies, or just saving data.